I'm going to teach you how to archive or delete a retainer from your Invoices dashboard. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to quickly remove a retainer you no longer need to see, and you'll understand the difference between archiving and deleting so you can make the best choice for your records. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in and that you have the necessary permissions to manage invoices and retainers in your account. Start on your main dashboard and head to the Invoices section. This is where all billing-related items live, including your retainers. Once you're in Invoices, look for the Retainers area. Opening Retainers will show you the list of retainers associated with your clients or projects. If you have a long list, use any available search or filtering options to locate the specific retainer you want to remove or hide. Taking a moment to confirm you've got the right one can prevent accidental changes. Next, open your retainer to view its details. This gives you a final chance to review the client, the amount, and any notes or activity tied to it. If anything looks off, pause and verify before moving forward. When you're ready, move to the top right corner of the retainer page and click More Actions. This menu is where you'll find the options to either archive or delete. Choose Archive if you want to hide the retainer from your active lists while still keeping it in your records. Archiving is generally recommended because it preserves your historical data for reporting, audits, and future reference, and it's often reversible depending on your system's settings. This means the retainer won't clutter your day-to-day view, but it hasn't been erased from your account. Choose Delete only if you're absolutely certain you no longer need the retainer at all. Deleting is permanent and removes the retainer from your database. In many systems, this action cannot be undone, and any associated data may no longer be available for reporting. If you see a confirmation prompt, read it carefully and confirm only when you're sure. Once you've made your selection, your retainer will be removed from your active view. If you archived it, it's now hidden from the main list and kept for reference. If you deleted it, it's permanently gone. That's all there is to it. Click Invoices, go to Retainers, open your retainer, use More Actions, and choose Archive or Delete. With this simple process, you can keep your invoicing workspace clean, accurate, and easy to manage.